Hello, welcome back. In this video, we will learn about the template string. So let's create an example. Let's create a full name string like this. Okay, something like John D. Okay, and now if you want to create a console or you want to create a string with a greeting for the full name, so you can do something like this, right? Written name equal hello, and you plus the full name like this, right? And you console log the greeting name, right? So this is the old way in many languages that support us to combining or to concat the string by using the operator plus or adding. So in the TypeScript we can do something different, because for example, if you want to concat many string, like you want to add more string like the commas, and you add more variable or something like that, so your string now will be more complex and harder to see or to understand the expression, right? So you can change this way by using the template string. So now instead of using the double quote symbol to define a string like this, we change to use the backtick. Okay, use the backtick symbol like this, and use the dollar and brackets, curly brackets symbols, and inside the curly bracket symbol we add the full name variable like this. All right, you see different color of the rest of the string, right? And now let's run. Okay, we see the greeting hello John D here like this. So by using this way, you can add many things in the string. We'll come back again. You also add more variable by using this again like this. So you can easily to read the string, and you can easily notice the variable inside the string by the color or by the symbol like this. Alright, I think that's all for this video, and thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.